So the purpose of this video is for us to show you how to use MyFitnessPal. Now MyFitnessPal is the app that you're going to use to track your calories and track your food on a daily basis. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how you're going to input any food into your diary on a daily basis. So we've opened up the menu, and as you can see now, we've got this option of diary. So we click diary. And then we've got the options of all the different meals that we're going to consume today. Now there are a few options that you can have, but firstly I'm going to show you how to input food that you've already saved into MyFitnessPal. So say we click breakfast, and then I know today that I've consumed strawberry oats for my breakfast. So the bar across the top, as you can see meals, we'd click meals, and then we'd scroll down until we find the breakfast that we consumed this morning, which was strawberry oats. I would click strawberry oats, and then as you can see we've got all the calories, the carbohydrate amount, the protein amount that's in that meal. We then go to the top of the screen and click select, and then that food is placed into our breakfast. Now that's fine if we've already saved our meal, so you're going to want to know how we're going to actually prepare a meal or create a meal. So if we do that for our lunch, we click lunch, we go to meals, and we've got all the different meals that we could potentially consume that are already saved. But as we mentioned, we want to show you how you're going to create a meal that isn't already on the platform. So we go back to the home page, we go up to the menu in the top left hand corner, press select, and then we'd scroll down to where it says recipes, meals and foods. We would select that one, and then we're going to go across to meals again. So we select meals. Bottom of the screen, as you can see, it says create a meal. So say for instance for your lunch you had beans on toast. You could then create that meal because that might be something you want to consume regularly, and then that reduces the time that you're spending on MyFitnessPal inputting different foods. You could just select that one meal and all the nutritional properties will come up. So we'll name this meal beans on toast. Then scroll down and you'll see where this blue plus sign is. That's how you're going to add foods to that meal. So we'd press that and we'd select, we'd search for baked beans. That then comes up as baked beans, Heinz. It tells you the calorie amount. Now you can compare this calorie amount to what it says on the tin. What's on the tin is going to be most accurate, because anybody can input data into MyFitnessPal. It sometimes isn't as accurate as we'd like it to be. So we'll select that. That comes up. We then go back to the blue plus sign to add more foods into your meal. And we'd go for, say, toast. So maybe Brace's bread you've gone for. Again, that calorie amount comes up, and then we press select. That then might be your meal done. So we go up to save, press save, and then as you can see in our save meals, that meal is going to be there. Another option for us is that we scan the barcode that's actually on the product. So say for instance you went to Asda and you thought, I'll pick up a ham sandwich for my lunch. What you do there is you go back to your diary and you would click on lunch if that's what you consumed, press lunch, and you'll see the blue barcode. Now when you select that blue barcode, this white square is going to come up. Now all you have to do here is hover this square over the barcode, and MyFitnessPal will pick up what is actually in that food. So how many calories are in that food, what the protein amount is, the carbohydrate, the fat amount. Then that automatically goes into MyFitnessPal. So once you've scanned it, it'll come up with what food it is. You go to the blue tick, click that tick, and then that's going to be saved into your diary. Now once you know how to do all of that, you've near enough got the basics for MyFitnessPal. The final thing you're going to want to know how to do is how to input your goals. So this is personalized for me. So as you can see, on a daily basis, I consume 3,200 calories, but that's individualized for me. Your calorie amount is probably going to be different to what mine is. So you're going to know how to want to change that. So we go back to the menu. Everything you need is going to be in this menu. So just have a little play about with it if you're unsure, or give us a little message and we'll help you go through the steps. So if we click on this, you're going to want to then, while you're in this menu, go to goals. So we scroll down and we select goals. You're then going to come up with this. So as you'll see, you've got your starting weight, your current weight, and your goal weight. You can change that if needs be, but we'll do that with you anyway. So as you come down to your nutrition goals, you'll see calories, carbs, protein, and fat goals. We select that one because the most important thing is that we've got our calorie target. So we select that. I might have given you a target on a daily basis of, say, 1600 calories. So we'd come into net calorie goal and we'd select 1600. Press save. That's then automatically saved to MyFitnessPal. So this is individualized for you. So as you can see, this is what we're going to be using on a daily basis. It's a pretty simple app to use, but if you do get stuck, please don't hesitate to contact us because we are here to help you. This is going to be what is going to allow you to reach your goals in the fastest way. So we'll track your calories, track your protein, and everything will be in here.